I forgive you, but it's over. I won't put myself in that position again. You tried your best maybe, but you didn't apologize to me back then. Have you ever apologized? I'm sorry, I can't recall because I went back to therapy and you didn't try to heal at all. I tried to be there. I tried to be your friend. That's what you said that you wanted, but what you wanted was for us to end. But you didn't say that, so I stuck around. And I've never been to the circus, but you made me a damn clown. Always available, no hard feelings, right? You treat me like shit because you know I won't fight. Not for you, maybe. Not anymore, because sitting in your waiting room sounds like a bore. Feels like a chore, a painful weight I don't want to carry. You don't want to date me, but I'm the girl that you do want to marry. I'm sorry, I'm confused. How does that make any sense? You want to cash in for dollars but never worked for thoughtful cents. You didn't want me. This is what you chose. And I protected you, but now everybody in my life knows. You made fun of me for believing you were more. I tried to welcome you in, but you slammed the damn door. And God, it was painful. My heart, it was bruised. My ego, my trust. You made me feel used. You made me feel wanted and then said, actually, never mind. You said I was the best, and then better you went to find. And then you didn't find it. Oof, big surprise. Not because I'm the best, but because you're rooting for your own demise. By telling yourself lies, I don't deserve you, this and that. You become what you believe. That's why in your waiting room I sat. I waited. I stayed. That was the best that I could be. And then I chose to deserve better because I wanted more for me. So I forgive you, but it's over. You didn't deserve me anyway, right? Because if it wasn't clear enough already for myself and our happiness, I will always fight.